Hello, hello, hello. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day. I'm sitting out here trying to enjoy the sunshine, the warm temperature today, and the birds chirping. So I said, well, I don't know if you all are dealing with this, but I'm dealing with this. Um, Living life and having things not work out the way you want them to work out. Like, you can wake up in the morning, you have your day planned, boom, 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 and then throughout the day, stuff just keep coming at you left and right, left and right, left and right. So I said, let me think of three things that I can do to help me get through those things because life gonna life, right? There's nothing we can do about it. So one thing is I'm gonna start working on focusing on what I can control. Focus on what I can control. Meaning that if someone cut me off in traffic or give me the middle finger or call me a B, mm, I can get upset. But then I want to think about, okay, they might be having a bad mood. They might be having a bad day. They might be in a bad mood. Why would I let their bad day, their bad mood dictate my mood? The second thing is being consistent with things. Posting every day, cutting that camera on every day. When I feel like it's a job, I just can't do it. I just can't, y'all. I want to, but it's just like, oh my God, there's just so many things with this. But if I stay consistent and I know what the end goal is, then I think I can do it. I think I can make this thing rock out, y'all. And the third thing I want to start back cooking every day. Y'all, I had got in such a rut. Like, I would cook and I ask the children or the young people in my home what they want. And I cook and sometimes they eat, sometimes they wouldn't. And food is expensive. So I know I'm not the only one. I'm like, I would get so discouraged. Like, I cook. I'm not the best cook. I'm not Martha Stewart, but I can cook. And then they wouldn't eat it or they'd waste it or, you know, I would get like so discouraged so I wouldn't cook. But I'm like, I'm still their mother. I'm still their parent. I'm still responsible for them. Yeah, they're young people still, but I just feel like as a woman, as a mother, as a mom, that's my love language. Like cooking for my family, providing for my family, making sure I keep a nice, clean home. Like that's just like being like a woman, like a mother, like that feminine touch, you know what I'm saying? Like how only a woman can do. Like, I don't know. It just I don't know this I just think I just need to, you know, tap back into what makes me happy. And doing those things make me happy. So what I decided to do in regards to the cooking is that first I was like, okay, well I'm just gonna cook what I want to eat. But then what if I want to eat just a bologna sandwich? Well, that's just what we're gonna have today. And I understand some people like, what girl, that's your house. You them kids gonna eat what you want to eat. Yeah, but sometimes, like you want to make the meal feel like you put thought into it. If that makes sense, you know what I'm saying? Don't just like you just threw anything together. Cause like everyone know I like to bake cake, and I can almost make a box cake taste almost handmade, not homemade, but almost. But if I'm not in the mood to bake no cake, it's gonna come out crazy. It's not even gonna come out tasting right. They're not gonna want second, thirds, and fourths. They probably just gonna want one. And then I'm gonna get discouraged about that too. You know what I'm saying? So I got to make sure I'm doing what makes me happy. I gotta tap back in and figure out what makes me happy. And that's gonna take some time, y'all, because I'm in the season right now. Like I don't know what to do. Business is slow. Money is funny. A lot of friendships have been lost. A lot of people who I thought were really like my friend, they really weren't. Like, it was, and I'm just like, so, like that nice girl syndrome. Oh, everybody be nice to everybody. Always be good, always be nice, always be kind. And then, like, people will just, I'm just in a season right now, like, I'm getting older, y'all. And I can't believe, like, you got to start living your life, y'all. I'm getting older. And it's like, I got to start thinking about me. And I always used to think that was so selfish. But no, it's not. Thinking about you is not selfish. And I hope this message helps someone. Like, for real, you're getting older. You deserve it. No matter what you've done in your past, if you woke up today, you can try it differently. You can try to do something different. You can turn around. If you woke up today, no matter what your situation is, God, the universe, give you opportunity to wake up today, try something, do things a little bit differently. If that person will not forgive you, if they feel like what you did was so horrible and they don't want to forgive yourself and be done with it. If you know you being a down, low down, dirty person in life, change it. If you don't like being low down and dirty, scheming, conniving, manipulative, change it. Change it. If you don't like something, change it. I tell y'all this all the time. Maybe not in every video, but I tell y'all this all the time. If it's something you don't like about your life, something about that you don't like about you, change it. Change it. Simple as that. So those are the 3 things I'm thinking about changing, and I'm gonna do it. And I hope that you know this video has helped you all think about what's really going on with you. Tap into you, see what's going on, and change it. And that's about it. So get outside, be amongst the living. I haven't said that slogan in a while, but I think I need to start incorporating that. Get out and be amongst the living. It will do your mental justice. Depression is real. It's real. And a lot of people walking around here depressed, and y'all wouldn't believe they're depressed because we get in this mentality that we just get up and do what we got to do. We just surviving. We just existing. Get out and be amongst the living.